guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the DomCarMan YouTube channel. So today we got a new video coming. Alright, so there we go. We got the camera set up now, so we should be able to see what's in here. So apparently this is a GPS one as well. So we'll see. We got the actual camera here. Love how tiny these things are. So it's got the one camera in the front and then another camera down here. I actually have the same one in my other car already. The one in my current car, my first car, it died, stopped working, so got myself a new one. I'm gonna keep those. I'm gonna keep the wraps on. Oh wow, the focus is bad. My other camera's dead, so I'm gonna do this with this. So we got a dual 1080p full HD dash camera with GPS logger and infrared night vision. I actually have one of these in my car, my second car already, so, and it works great. So this is the unit. You have one camera here facing inside and then the main one facing out. 4 LEDs here are actually your infrared, and that's what it works with. So let's get the rest of this open. I got my SD card for it too. So comes with everything you need. So we got a few wire clips and a wire pusher. So I'll show you. I'm not actually taking any panels off to do it. I just use this blue tool and I push the wire inside the panel with it. This way I don't have to remove anything. So you have 2 kinds of mounts. There's this one that sticks on and it's like hard mounted, and then the camera just attaches to that. And then you also have a suction cup one. I'm going to use a suction cup one, this way it's removable. I don't leave something like this. So then you have your main charging wire. This is the GPS unit. So this will actually track my speed and everything. That's pretty cool. And then that's just another USB charger. Oh, it actually comes with a sticker too. Dash cam recording. Some places you actually, this is required by law. I'm not sure if mine is one or not, but I've never had one and I've never had an issue. I've never seen one on a vehicle. A big, nice big full manual here. Oh yeah. That was actually separated a little bit. So you plug the GPS. So this is I'm gonna mount onto my windshield. So yeah, this has to plug into the camera. So this has to be mounted somewhere within wire distance to the camera. Probably gonna try and run the wire up and across. We'll see how that goes. All right, so I'm gonna go pull my old one out and start installing this one. Okay, so I actually already have the wire hooked up with my old dash cam. So I can remove this. The old one's out. So this is actually the same wire that's necessary, so I'm not going to bother rerunning the cord, but there's different ways you can do this. You can drill a hole back here somewhere and tuck it in through underneath. I didn't care for all that, so I just ran it through my glove box, and then it's going up behind, up on the inside of this thing, pushed up on the inside of here, and then up inside of that, and then the wire comes out. I just used that blue tool that I was talking about to push the wire in on this. I didn't actually take any of the panels off. So I'm not going to bother rerunning the cord. I'm just going to hook up the GPS, put the suction cup on, and go from there. I'm going to read the instructions to see where they want the GPS and figure that out. So I'm not the most so you can use these little tabs here to clip the wires on. Stick them right on the window and clip them down. That's how I would do it if I was doing someone else's, but this is mine and I like doing quick, fast stuff, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'm gonna pop the memory card in and I can show you how to set it up. So I'm gonna peel the stuff off now. This is the satisfying part. Okay, I'm gonna pop the memory card in. Okay, so let's power it on. I gotta plug it in. There we go. So SD card is inserted. You always have to format there. There's no buttons on that side. You just have an OK button on this side, and everything else is done from here. One's down, one's up. So we go settings. So you want to do format first. Okay. Format SD card. All data will be deleted. This is brand new, so if you have an older one and you want to save your stuff, move it onto your computer before you do this, because you will lose everything. So now that's formatted, I can go through the settings, start with date and time, menu to exit, night mode, let's see what this is, auto, screensaver, 1 minute. I'm fine with that. You can adjust it to whatever you want. Delayed power off. Whoa, it's foggy. Delayed power off. I don't need a delay. Beep sound I want. Language. Obviously it's already English. Frequency. What's this? 60 hertz. That's what I want. GPS. This is a new feature. My other one doesn't have GPS. So we'll see. Let's turn this on. Time zone. Hey, so mine is GMT -5. I'm in Eastern Standard Time, which is like New York, Florida. I'm in Toronto. So I'll set that. Speed unit. Kilometers, because I'm in Canada. Daylight saving off. So this is the parking monitor. I like putting this on. Any bumps or anything while your car's parked, like a door ding or something, it'll record. That's that. Okay. So resolution. Now we get into the actual camera settings. Here we go. Resolution, full HD, P30, P30. I don't know what that means, but that's what I want. Loop recording. With loop recording, you get, so the way I set it up, I do it for 3 minutes. So every 3 minutes, a new video records. If you don't push the manual save button, it'll automatically just keep looping over, so you don't run out of space unless you have too many saved files. So I do 3 minutes. HDR, high definition resolution, on. Exposure, I leave it. That G sensor, because of my sub, so this is if, say for example, you get into an accident and this is on, it'll automatically save the file. But me having the subwoofers, with this on at all, even on low, every time the bass hits decently, it saves the video. So I was running out of space very quickly, so I turned this off personally. But it's good if you want it, if you hit a pothole or something, it'll do it. Motion detection. I turn mine off, but if someone walks in front of the car or something, it'll do it. Like I have so much at work and everywhere, it happens so often. Like it fills up my memory, so I leave it off. Record audio, that should be on automatically. Yeah. Date stamp. I want this on because it's a dash cam. And that's it. She should be ready to go. So now the GPS shows, you can see there, it shows kilometers per hour. You can see me holding my phone there, and in the front should be good. I don't know why it says 11:46. Maybe because I set the date and time before switching it. Oh no, 11:46. I have a 128 gig card in here, so I have 11 hours and 46 minutes, 57 seconds worth of recording available. And I have parking mode on, microphones on, that's the date, time, everything. Pretty good. Let's actually, that's with the sticker still on. It's pretty good. There we go. All right. Okay, so successful dash cam install. Yeah, that's it for today. So thanks for watching the DomCarMan YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about what's going on here, if you need any help doing anything, I'm very knowledgeable in a lot of different things. I'm a jack of all trades, so any questions about anything handy, mechanical, electrical, anything, if I can help you, I will. So you can hit me up on Instagram or TikTok, and I'll help you out the best I can. Thanks for watching.